Hi everyone. I would just like to clarify for you really quickly what is due in Module 5 and just update you on some of the issues that maybe that it seems that several of you are having from the emails that I've been getting. So really quickly, let me just go through that. So here we are in Module 5. You won't see this faculty instruction part because that's my part. So I want you to scroll down, all the way down to near to the bottom of Module 5. You'll see here that this Quality and Safety Education for Nurses, the QSIN modules, that is the module that I want you to complete for this module, right, for Module 5. So it's the Informatics module for QSIN. Once you complete the informatics piece by using the AACN link, you need to upload your certificate here to the QSIN modules. I think what some of you are trying to do is get a certificate for this alternative assignment, right here, the Safe Health IT course for the Joint Commission. That, for this particular running of the course, is optional. You can still receive 1 CE for completing it, but this is optional, and this is the link that some people seem to be having an issue with. Right? So this is not the one that you have to do for submission. The one you have to do for submission is one of the other QSIN modules, and that is the QSIN module for safety and informatics, right? Because you've already done 2 others in this course. The next thing people are having trouble with is this VoiceThread reflection here, right? So I've gotten several emails that students aren't able to access that VoiceThread assignment. I have emailed VoiceThread myself. Thank you very much to Jane and to Jerry who have sent me screenshots. I've sent them screenshots from what you guys can see. There seems to be some issue with the integration of the gradebook for that assignment, which as an LTI it doesn't make sense. I know some of those things don't make sense to you, but that's fine. I'm running this down. Remember, the reflection isn't due officially until the end of week 10, which is next week. We're right now in week 9. So I just wanted to clarify for everyone what is due during this module. Remember, it's the QSIM modules, and it will be the reflection. If I can't get that particular VoiceThread assignment to work, if it's something with the construction of the assignment, I may need to update that link, and if I do, I will send it back out to you. But please don't frustrate yourselves by trying to do it over and over again if it's not working. Let's wait till we hear from VoiceThread. Hopefully I will hear from them over the weekend sometime, if not Monday morning. And when I hear from them, I will let you know when that link is fixed. So don't worry about the reflection. Just make sure that you get your QSIN CEs done, and make sure it's the QSIN CE, right, that you're trying to do. This one right here, right, not the Joint Commission one. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to email me, or you can post it in the Q&A discussion area. Thank you, and have a great Saturday.